East Renfrewshire is one of the smallest local authorities in Scotland. It has a population of about 90,000 which is concentrated in Giffnock, Clarkston, Newton Mearns and Barrhead. The majority of population is made up of affluent professional families who work outside of East Renfrewshire and have to travel to work. Most of the local authority is rural and made up of bioproductive arable land.
A global footprint, also known as an ecological footprint, is a measure of human demand on the Earth's resources. It compares human demand on the Earth to the Earth's capacity to regenerate itself. It is calculated taking into account 6 factors: energy use, transport demand, water usage, food consumption, building footprints, and waste production. For the Earth to remain sustainable for the future, it is calculated that each person should have a global footprint of 2.1 global hectares or less. The Earth's population is currently about 7 billion. If people's global footprints are above 2.1 global hectares, then the Earth's resources are being used up faster than they can be regenerated. East Renfrewshire currently has a global footprint per person of about 5.52 global hectares. This is more than twice of what it should be for us to be a sustainable local authority, and is one of the highest footprints in Scotland.
There are many things which contribute to our high global footprint: water wastage, high electricity usage in our homes, non-eco-friendly light bulbs, technology-driven lifestyles, transport for work, leisure and shopping, appliances left on and unattended, washing and drying clothes, and the huge amounts of packaging waste we produce. So what can we do as individuals and as a local authority to try and reduce our global footprint and become a more sustainable society?
East Renfrewshire Council has an extensive recycling programme which aims to reduce the amount of waste we produce.
Every household is provided with a small white bin for all food waste. Once full, this bin is emptied into the brown bin along with any organic garden waste. The large brown bin is emptied once a week.
A blue box is provided to recycle tins and glass bottles. This is collected every fortnight.
A white bag allows families to recycle any waste paper and cardboard. This includes packaging, junk mail and magazines.
The green bag is for recycling plastic. All plastics can be recycled, from bottles and yoghurt pots to plastic packaging.
The council collects all the recycled rubbish separately in special lorries. Normal waste is only collected once a fortnight now.
Recycling is an essential activity to reduce our individual global footprints. The less waste we need to dump in landfill sites, the better for our environment.
So remember, reduce as much as you can, reuse what you can, and recycle the rest.
We can also reduce our global footprint by using energy-saving light bulbs where possible. Although they take a bit of time to warm up, they give the same light as a normal light bulb but use 80% less energy and last about 10 times as long. East Renfrewshire also supports sustainable energy production and use. The recently built Whiteley wind farm on Eaglesham Moor is the largest onshore wind farm in Europe.
There are 140 wind turbines which can generate enough electricity to power 180,000 homes. Wind energy has no waste products and is a totally clean form of energy.
Using wind farms to produce electricity has a big impact on the environment, but it is not enough on its own. We all need to try and reduce the amount of energy we use and the amount of waste we produce.
We only have one world, and it's our responsibility. So do your bit and protect our planet's future. Reduce, reuse, recycle.